So Team India has lost another series, and this time it's against England. 4-0 is what the scorecard states in the favor of England. But yes, there is another issue which Team India is facing, and it's also the form of India's vice captain, Tilak Verma. We all remember what he did in the Asia Cup. But if I walk you all through the stats of Tilak Verma after that Asia Cup heroics. So, according to the stats, in 23 innings, Tilak Verma has scored 606 runs with the average of 31.89 and the strike rate of 136 with only 4 half centuries. Yes, I totally agree that he has been shifted up or he has been also demoted down according to his batting order. But apart from that, these are the stats of Tilak Verma after the Asia Cup heroics. And there was always a conversation about Tilak Verma's strike rate, and in 23 innings, his strike rate is 136. And he is your vice captain. Yes, the series loss versus Ireland was versus England can't be blamed onto a single player, and it should never be blamed onto a single player. But if we look at Tilak Verma, he is struggling against spin since a very long period of time. If we look at Tilak Verma, his form was inconsistent after the Asia Cup heroics. He was unable to score much runs in the IPL as well, and also due to that the confidence level might have dropped too. But when you have become the vice captain for the Indian team, every Indian cricket fan will expect you to score a lot of runs alongside your captain Shreyas Iyer. Shreyas Iyer again, like, his form was also a bit of inconsistent, but when we look at Tilak Verma, he has been struggling since the Asia Cup 2025 has ended. And also, by this defeat, if we look at it in that way, by this defeat, Team India has lost the number one position from the ICC rankings of T20 Ice, and it happened after 1605 days, which is around 4 years, 144 days. And let me tell you, the last series which Team India lost was in August 2023 versus West Indies. And again, it was a debut series for Tilak Verma. But yeah, like, the last series which Team India lost, it was against West Indies in 2023. 3-2 is what the scorecard stated at that time. And after 2-3 years, Team India lost two series back to back against Ireland and also against England. So yes, Tilak Verma's form is a concern. Tilak Verma's batting, especially against spin, is a concern. And at a whole, Indian team's form and execution is also a big concern for everyone, for the selectors, for the management, for the captain, and also for the vice captain. Because everybody has to remember one thing, that in order to remain the vice captain for Team India, you have to score runs. The vice captain of Team India can't score runs with the strike rate of 136 and with only 4 half centuries after the Asia Cup 2025. So let's see what happens. The upcoming series is against Zimbabwe, so hopefully Team India can make a comeback there. And for more such updates, news, and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.